let's learn the 15 vowel sounds of American English. I will briefly introduce you to the 15 different sounds, and you will be able to see the phonetic symbols for each sound. And then after this lesson, you will study the difficult sounds in a lot more detail so that you can learn how to fix the biggest mistakes that non-native speakers make when they're trying to speak with an American accent. All right, let's take a look at the first one. The first one is E, E. Some common words include please, see, meet, believe. Say it one more time with me. E. Okay, vowel number 2 is it, this, difficult, if, dinner. Say it with me. It. Okay, vowel number 3 is A, late, gate, baseball, stay, okay. Let's say it again. A. Okay, vowel number 4 is E, bed, men, dress, friend. Say it with me. E. Vowel number 5, A. Apple, man, stand, angry. Say it with me. A. Okay, let's take a look at vowel number 6. Ah, hot, topic, office, modern. Say it with me. Ah. Vowel number 7, but, done, jump, love. Say it with me. This sound is usually written like this in your dictionary, but sometimes you might also see this symbol. They're basically the same sound. Okay? Vowel number 8, aw, always, tall, bought, thought. One more time. Aw. Okay? Vowel number 9, O, go, drove, slow, moment. Repeat after me. O. Vowel number 10, book, foot, pull, push, took. Say it with me. Vowel number 11, oo, moon, shoes, room, blue. Say it with me. Ooh. Vowel number 12, first, Thursday, girl, work. Say it with me. Okay, vowel number 13, I, time, while, 9, dining. Say it with me. I. Vowel number 14, ow, now, house, brown, Announce. Say it with me. Ow. And finally, vowel number 15, oi, oi, enjoy, noise, boy, annoying. Say it with me. Oi. So these are the 15 vowel sounds of American English. Now let's study them in more detail.